Does this ube powder actually taste good? Is it just ube powder or is it filled with a bunch of other stuff? Well, let's go ahead and make some ube cinnamon rolls, and here's what it looks like once you actually mix it in with your ingredients. But I'm gonna go ahead and put in a couple teaspoons of this powdered ube, and yes, it is 100% pure powdered purple sweet potato, so this has nothing else in it, so you can go ahead and bake with it and go ahead make teas with it, whatever it is that you want to use it for. It's going to definitely be a good choice for your recipes if you're looking for that ube kick. So here I'm going to add in the cinnamon and sugar to our rolled out ube. As you can see, it is going to obviously turn it a dark purple. If that's not enough ube flavoring, definitely grab some ube concentrate and add a few drops of that as well. Hope that you have a lot of fun cooking and creating with this, and I hope that you make some delicious desserts, delicious foods with this powdered purple sweet potato. And no, it is not sweet, so you will need to add sugar in order to make it sweet.